How to disable Chrome Force login, or how you can disable your auto login in your Chrome browser. So I'm going to show you in this video tutorial. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so here I am on my Chrome browser, you can see. And when you log in with password in any website, then Chrome asks you to save password, and it will be, then password, your password will be saved. And when you try to log in again, so it will be, automatic login or auto login. So if you want to disable your auto signing, so you can disable it. So first you have to go in this three dot option and go to the settings, and here you have to find the autofill. And autofill, you will see the password option here. Just click on it, and here you can see the your all save password. If you have save your password, so it will be show here. And after you save your password, then your website auto sign in will be enabled, or it will be sign in. So how you can disable it? So here you can see there is a two option, which is offer the save password. If you want to don't want to save password, just off it. And this is a auto sign in. So when you save password, then auto sign will be automatically run. So if this may be on your page or browser is on, you should make it off. Just make it off. Okay, so then when, if your password is saved, that also it will be not automatic sign in your site when you off it. Okay, so just off it. If you want to don't want to save password, just you can off also this, which is offer to save password. And for auto sign in, you have to off it. Then you will your website will not sign automatically. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.